Here we go. Oh boy. A guy goes away for a couple hours just to get a little break and tries to get a little nap in, rest. All heck breaks loose in the market. I mean, what's a guy to do? I tell you, kids. Some days, all I can say is option writers are smiling today because at the end of the day,
Some days,
kids, at the end of the day, markets go up and markets go down. And you've noticed one thing. If there's anything I've been able to, I hope, teach you guys that follow me on this channel. By the way, it's Stock Markets with Bruce, and I'm Uncle Bruce. How you doing? If I've taught you anything, markets go down a lot faster than they go up, and they go down a lot further too. In one session, they can really drop. We're only off 626 points. I mean, it's not like we're down 10,000 points. We're down 1.8%. Okay, the Nasdaq's down 2.1. I mean, Nasdaq's doing worse than the Dow. It's down 251 points. S&P down 1.7%, 72 points. There you go. We're down today. Why are we down? Why? Well, this stock market fraternity out there, your opposition to the people who don't want you to make money, they want to make money from you, those folks, they just are not believing the Federal Reserve en masse. They just don't buy into the notion that the Federal Reserve of the USA is going to raise rates until inflation comes down. There are people out there who are convinced that Powell says one thing and is going to do the other, and the other is not raise rates as much as he seems to indicate he is going to, and then the loosening of interest rate policy will kick right in, and then the loosening of the money reserves will be kicked right in, and we're going to go right back to an easy credit environment. That's what this market has been saying to him, his committee, his federal, his governor, the fellow governors of the Federal Reserve, by having the market take a nice little rally run in the middle of a bear market. And while that's going on, we have conflicting news coming out and conflicting economic reports coming out that just confuse the entire issue, because we're noticing that unemployment is at 50-year lows, if not all-time lows, since records have been kept in any accurate kind of way, modern kind of way. Job openings, 11 million. 4 million people a month switching jobs, having no trouble finding better employment, whatever their situation is. That's a strong economy. Then we have corporate earnings coming out, where corporations are being rewarded by Wall Street analysts because they're meeting lowered expectations. Yay, you made less money like you thought we would. Way to go. Like, just bunk. Anyway, corporations are not delivering the results from last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago. And the market just wants to go higher. Now, housing sales have been down a straight 1 year straight, every month, worse. And the Fed is going, we're raising rates to bring down inflation. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to raise rates to a point that we feel we have to. We're going to keep them there for a while. And then once we get evidence that inflation is really coming down on all these various parameters we use to measure inflation, then and only then will we begin to ease up on interest rates. Well, I'm telling you, 2 years from now will be the earliest you're going to see a drop in interest rates. 2 years. But we haven't topped out yet. Well, maybe the stock market as a whole, more people in the market believe that than don't believe it. Maybe today is the first day that this realization is coming home to roost. But we're not down 1,600 points on the Dow. We're only down 600, and that's 1.85%. It's not down 3.7. A real 3% jolt would really kind of cinch it, but it's a down day, no doubt, but it's not a catastrophically down day. No. Okay, so there it is. We'll see what happens. Do you out there who are watching me that have begun to write options to make some extra money to help your 401ks and your IRAs? Those of you out there who are trying to build wealth, those of you who are trying to create cash flow so you can quit your day job or one of your day jobs, part-time job you have to keep your full-time job, whatever. You guys are having a good day right now. If you're an option writer, there can't be a single viewer on this channel that isn't ahead of the curve today from Friday. Now, I will admit and I will acknowledge that some of you written calls a month or two ago, and at the time, whatever the stock was you wrote against, the shares had gone up on you. And some of you were able to do rollovers and roll up and roll up, but some of you didn't. Some of you decided, I'm going to do the old Uncle Bruce making money trick, which is like this. I'm just going to fold my arms, Uncle Bruce, and I'm not going to do a damn thing. I am not going to chase this. Nope, I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to wait for the market to come back to me. And every single one of you from Friday night's close to right now have noticed whatever value the options had Friday night, whichever ones you wrote, compared to where they are right now, the chances are practically everybody here has noticed the price of your contracts that you've written have dropped in price. And there's two reasons, of course. 3 more days have gone by. We had a long weekend, time, and now stock movement to the downside. There you go. So there you go. There's where we're at. That's what we have. And congratulations to those of you who are patiently waiting for the market to give you your return and or letting the clock run out on contracts you wrote and break them down in price. Congratulations. It's February the 21st, 2023, and the December calls that were written, the January calls that were written, the February 3rd, Friday, February calls that were all written, they're all gone already. They've all died out. The next big batch of contracts will be the 3rd Friday in March. And we're just watching them shrink, 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 shrink. And that's what's going to happen. Time value will disappear. The book value is another question mark entirely, right? Mirko, hey, Uncle Bruce, I rolled 14 GameStop April 16 and a quarter into December 20s with a 10-cent profit per contract. And then I did 3 GameStop 17 and a halves into September 20s with a 65-cent profit per contract. I see that as a win, not much cash, but a lot in strike. I agree with you. You're going up 375 from those 16.25 contracts to 20s. That is a huge hit. That is 17%, 16% more higher payout to you. If you're going to get exercised, if you're going to get assigned at 20, not 16.25. I like that. 17.50 to 20. Hey, $2.50. Yeah, you betcha. And pulling in 65 cents. Okay. That's 315 on a $20 market. Yeah, that's okay. That's good too. I like this move. What can we say here? The Beach Boys asking Uncle Bruce, so nothing new with the rant. How about China? Is GameStop getting delisted? Is DQ asleep standing up? I mean, what's up? What's up? Is there anything going on? Anything? Nick is asking here, hey, Uncle Bruce, I wrote a 40 SoFi January 10s for 95 cents last week on the pump off bad inflation numbers. And then I bought them back today for 65 cents. Thank you for teaching me how to make a casual $1,200 over the long weekend. Well, there you go. What can I say? It's a most interesting day, isn't it? The most interesting time. Thank you, by the way. All of you are throwing up these thumbs ups for me. We're already approaching, was it past 60 now? This is fantastic. Thank you. Here we go. Financial Mischief is saying, it's official. I need to get out of my day job as soon as possible. I have just received the letter for my raise, a staggering 3.75% raise, but I did get a great job. Well, that's interesting. I did so great. In fact, apparently I did a great job. My financial minister goes on to say I did so great. In fact, I brought in more in premiums today than the raise is going to make me for the next 12 months. Yeah. Sounds to me like you can't afford to work for these guys anymore. They cost you too much money. Sounds like you need to spend more time on option writing to make more money doing this than you can possibly make it work. And if you miss one trade on your option trades that could make you 5 or 10 or 15 grand, you can't afford to work there anymore. It's not there. I don't know. What can I say? Beach Boy, seriously, I hope our democracy will emerge stronger after all these tribulations. Israel is having trouble. I did talk about that this morning. There are issues over there, and they are more than one. It's unbelievable what's happening over there. Bobby Joe, anyone notice that random spike on Spire? Some news with a partnership or something like that, and then it just got slapped back down. Just so frustrating. What can we say? We have earnings coming up in the not too distant future for 4 of our former SPACs. We'll be watching for that very, very closely. We'll see how our shares react to all of the financial news coming out. And we'll see how analysts react to it. We'll kind of go from there. By the way, thank you all of you for being here again today for the afternoon show. Thank you for these thumbs ups, getting us to 100 thumbs ups for the afternoon show as a minimum. That is awful great. We're going right now to comments for members only. If you're a member of this channel, thank you. If you're thinking of becoming a member, thank you. If you used to be a member and you left us, please consider coming back, and so we can thank you. And for those of you who are lurkers and hanging around for free and just listening in and everything, we appreciate you being here. We appreciate you giving us thumbs ups if you're able to do those, because even without being a member or a subscriber, you can give us a thumbs up. We have 74 right now, but if you become a member of the channel, not only are we willing to say thank you very much for that, but we are also willing to allow you the pleasure to do this right here, to pop up these Knights of Knee emojis. The neat emojis that the attack comes out. Thank you everybody for being part of this, and I appreciate it very much. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce, I was able to snag up a few AI $12.50 January 2025 calls, and I wrote some March 17, 23 covered calls, which brought in 230 right away. More than 20% on the first write. Me likey, I can imagine why. Hector says, Uncle Bruce, last Friday I wrote Roblex covered calls, July 35. I was paid $10.97. I bought back today for $8.42. So taking $250 off the table over the long weekend. Not a bad little hit there per contract. Nicely done. Thank you, Option Nomads. JR, Jeb, thank you, Zed, and the Big E. They're all here hitting the emojis. Maria Powell, folks, become a Gold Bagel member immediately. Do yourself a favor. Join me every morning before the 8:30 show for a trade update, market update, and then every Wednesday night, 8 o'clock prime time with Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members only. These guys. Become a Gold Bagel member now and upgrade your membership from the regular membership to Gold Bagel level. You can keep using the knee emojis no matter which level you are, but boy, would love to have you join us on the Gold Bagel level. Thank you for those who have done that already. Brian, thinking about selling a GameStop August 21.25 for $4.25 or a June 20 for $4.20. What are your thoughts, friends of the bagel? I'd write the June. I'd write that August 21.25. Yeah, I like the idea of being that a little higher up. Nice premium too. Nice. Zed, I have been member for 14 months. I'm sending my green notification. Fantastic. There they are. They're popping up right there. Zed Estate, there it is, 14 months. And then also Beach Boy, member for 23 months. Just want to thank you, Uncle Bruce and Auntie Jen. I keep learning every day. You are awesome. Beach Boy, you're the best, buddy. Thank you very much for that, as always. Thank you, all of you who are here and members, and you're letting us know that you've been around for a long time. Hector and H. Gregory, thank you for the knee emoji attack show. Fabulous that you're all here. Adam, my SoFi card got hacked, so it stopped my membership. Hopefully, still have some status. Laughing out loud. Financial Mischief. While I'm not thrilled about it, I think I'm going to stop my accumulation phase of my GameStop position in my main account. Time to switch to trading for cash flow. I've got 55 leaps now. Right on. Christina, I'm writing from the beach this week. Giddy up. Giddy up. Karen, neat, 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 neat. There you go. The Big E. Volume is very low for the options of GameStop later in the year. Financial Mischief, going to sit down and do some mathing out tonight to see where everything stands. Got to check the numbers because, 3.75% raise. You figure out how much money you're going to get after tax. Then break it down just for fun. Since you got the calculator out, find out how many hours a week you work, and then find out how much per hour that means to you after tax. You might be shocked at how little that money is. It's really, it's a pay cut. That's what that is. That is a pay cut for your services because 6 to 7 to 8%, you're just breaking even with inflation. They don't help you break even on inflation. That is a pay cut. And you got to just, add it up yourself and figure out where your time is best spent. Anyway, congratulations all of you on making money in this market and doing some rollovers and scoring some deals. I congratulate you. We're down 667 on the Dow at the moment, 72 on S&P, 251 on NASDAQ. That's what it looks like right now. Oil down 29 cents, by the way, to 76.05 in Texas. That's what's going on over there. And GameStop is 2088 down 111. ME is still sitting at 258 down 28 today. ME 23andMe is a 2.9 million volume today. ATIP is at 40 cents. It's flatlining here down 1.3. Tesla 199.61 down 870 today. SoFi 646 down 16. It's actually bounced back from its lows. Apple's still off, down now 408, 148.47. HPQ 2909 down 107. Big down day today. Cyxtera down 14 cents. Google down 232. Moderna down 560 to 161. I know a guy that has some 180 contracts out there that might be shopping. He might just start shopping pretty soon. If they can come up another $5-7, I think he's going to be doing some serious shopping for closer in contracts for time. This is going to be interesting. Cisco down 90 centinos to 49.88. Pfizer's off 47 to 42.74. IBM down 310 to 131.92. Microsoft down 568. Rocket Lab down 30. Matterport down 14. SmartRent down 25. Spire's up a penny actually at 107. Go figure. Did touch for the high today. We'll see if my phone now won't tell me. It's just giving me the circle of death. Come on, tell me what Spire did today. Come on, tell me. I know you want to. You know you want to. Anyway, I'll let you know as soon as I know. What else is going on here? Financial, yeah, no need to do math. Uncle Bruce, it's a joke. It's just a joke, Uncle Bruce. Beach Point, 30 shekels, Uncle B. Thank you, Beach Point, for that. Appreciate those. Every time. 104 was the low on Spire. We're now at 107. 267,000 traded. We don't have any serious volume here. Anyway, yeah, nothing. There's no headline on the Yahoo Finance part of the quotation system. Okay, the Dow down 644, and GameStop 2086 right here, right now. Beach Boy, is there a pile dancer in the room here? Samuel, number 79, Bruce, I have an idea. All members give thumbs ups, or those that don't give a thumbs up should give a donation of $10. Well, that would be a great idea. Beach Boy, Wing, yeah, laughing out loud. That's a great idea. You don't have to give us a thumbs up. Just send us $10. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. I'll forgive you. But that's every day. Like that's every day. If you come in here and you don't give me thumbs ups, you got to send me $10 every day. That's cool. That is the ultimate. That might be like a platinum level membership, really. I mean, those who just send me $10 a day, that is a mega platinum level membership thing. I tell you, that's awesome stuff. Thank you, everyone. I'll tell you, you send me that kind of money, I might send you a free class from time to time because you're buying 2 a month at that rate. What can I say? Thank you on this. I think a PayPal donation just came in here. Who did that? Thank you, whoever did that. Just waiting for it to show. By the way, is Joe H in the house? Joe, are you around? Or is it Joe K? I can't remember who sent me that message today. Joe K. Are you around? You were trying to get a confirmation of a one-on-one this weekend. I sent you an email back, and it came back as undeliverable. I'm tried again, and I'm hoping you got my reply. I'm crossing my fingers. Email. Here we go. Someone sent me a donation on PayPal. Who did that? Thank you to GH3 Worldwide. Thank you for a donation. It's been a while, my friend. Thank you for all that you do and this community. Well, thank you very much. Rochester, New York. Some good people over there. And GH3, thanks, pal. Appreciate that PayPal donation. That's awful kind of you. Everyone should do that. It's all good. Fabulous guys. Keep me on the air. JR says Beach Boy. Oh yeah, there you go. We're down 660 on the Dow. Yikes. Splayer, a juicy, my 2 Tilray calls written 2 weeks ago with a $3 strike. In the money, had a premium of 40 cents when the stock was above 340. Now I closed both at 26 cents, $45 again in my pocket on a $560 investment. Splayer, you are, I love how you're pulling out money from very small investments, because you have learned the art of becoming an option writer, and you're going to be just as comfortable doing this with 20 at a time down the road. You're going to be making thousands of dollars on option writes because you are learning the basics right here at this level. And way to go. Kareem, Uncle Bruce, my 2 Rolex that I rolled into June 16 for 1020 are now worth 540-ish. Should I buy back one and write another to hold on to the rest of the cash, or buy both and use all the cash and just fold my arms? So what do you think I should do? Well, though this is a wonderful gain, which I commend you for. You don't have to do anything. I mean, really, you can just allow this shrinkage to continue on if Rolex is going to keep dropping. I'm assuming that these contracts of yours are quickly coming out of the money. I don't have the details, so I don't know. But look, whatever move you're contemplating, it's a win move, isn't it? It's a win move. At the end of the day, what you really want and what you've needed to do is you've needed to get to a position where you have powder handy to make a move when you need to make a move. And the way these are, all of your contracts you've written are falling off. I'm assuming when you get to a real juicy profit, you might just, do an exit and say thank you very much. With a 639 point drop today and a 250 point NASDAQ drop, which is worse than the Dow, this market is telling all of us we're going down right now. And I don't see a turnaround tomorrow just because we had one day of selling. We now have to go up 600 points because the interest rate thing isn't getting better tomorrow. I don't see it. There are no defenders coming to the defense of this market today, are there? So whichever way you go. Thank you, Joe. You got my email. Good, thanks. The first one came right back to me, undeliverable. And I thought, oh no. So then I tried again and kind of reloaded my email and crossed my fingers. So you got it. I'm happy. You got it. That's good. Okay. Sprayer, by the way, I had them written for the 21st of April. Time depreciation helped a little as well. Well done, sir. Sell my house fast. Number 83. Bruce, you only need 17 more to get to 100 thumbs ups. Sprayer, it's helpful for sure before I run this on different higher valued stonks than GameStop. That's right, sir. That's right. You are learning the ins and outs of writing options and buying them back. You're seeing time depreciation work. You're seeing market depreciation coming in to help you. Yep, this is what it's all about. You're taking lessons, and it's happening. DQ, Bruce, number 85 thumbs up. And how are you doing on your how you doing on those Moderna calls? The stock's 160.96 now. How's it going over there? Are those suckers backing off? I sure hope they are. I'm not sure if it's yet time to find a roll down yet or not, but well done on how you're doing. I'm sure that they're backing up a little bit here in value, which is kind of the point, isn't it? Bobby, number 87, Bruce. You're only 13 away from 100. Alex, I'm also number 87, so you're like 12 or 13 away. So thank you guys for these thumbs ups. Keep them coming in. I am showing 88 now on my system, and I've got more people saying hi to me. First, we had Karen, a member for 6 months on the channel. Thank you, Karen. Wayne Commander, 20 months and counting. Thank you, Uncle Bruce, for making me hate the weekends. JR, member for 6 months, only 6 months, but it's been one great ride. Gold Bagel member there, JR. BW, only a month till my 2-year anniversary, Uncle Bruce. My learning and retention is accelerating. My experience is gaining, and the numbers of dollars is going to increase with each Poor Man cover call. Folding of arms never felt so good. Thanks to you, AJ and Jennifer Jr. Life changers. What kind words. Thank you all so much for these. They really mean a lot to us. I let Jen Jr. know. I let Jen know. Just these comments keep coming in. I don't get to read them very often because, as I've said before, they show up on my YouTube telecast, and this is time delayed, where these actual green bars do not show up on my StreamYard page, so I don't see them until I come back to the YouTube page and then scroll back and find them. Untamed Viking, member for 17 months, gold bagel level, finally took some profits and bought something I've always wanted. A Gandalf pipe from LOTR. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. Well, there you go. Congratulations. This is good stuff. Thank you, guys, and way to go, everybody. Keep up this great work. DQ says these Modernas are about 47% to the good right now. This is a beautiful thing, my friend. Just let them fall off, and it's a beautiful thing. Keep your eye open if you can. If you can move forward 6 months or a year in time, coming in a little closer, maybe. But on the other hand, 160 a share, you're at least 20 out of the money. Way to go, pal. What else? Alberto, Uncle, I'm here. You can begin right now. Bagel Familia, good afternoon. Thank you, Alberto. The soft talk is over. Now we're talking business. Mirko, Alberto, Beach Boy, missed you. Until now, he's in the gold medal spot right there. DQ, I might be able to pull back the Modernas to June 2024 from Jan 2025, but I'd have to pull back to 160. So yeah, you may not want to do that. You might want to just wait. Because what I want to have happen for you is when you do the rollback, I want you to get more money. I don't want you to break even and only move into time. No. So sit tight. You're way out of the money. Perfect. Time just goes by anyway. These want to go to 150, 55 a share. You may find that you can roll into June's for more money, depending on which contract you go to, because yours are going to keep dropping. And as yours keep dropping, rolling gets easier because there'll be more contracts available to you to move into. So, yeah, this is good stuff. Splayer, I have the feeling MTTR is building up a base for a quick pop into the 4-5 range. DQ, I'm good with the depreciation. I want some dumb money gambler to exercise these. You got it, buddy. Right on. Let's see what happens. We're up. We're down 656 on the down now with about 30 minutes left in our session. The 23andMe shares are still off 28.5 to 258.5 cents. GameStop 20.96 down to $1.03. Bed Bath Beyond down 15 cents at 165. A little bounce back at the moment. ATIP 39.9, just around 40 cents. Tesla 199.21 down 9.10. SoFi down 17.645 a share. Apple down 398 to 148.57. HPQ 112 on the downside 29.04. Cyxtera up down 16 cents. Google down 218. Moderna down 588 at 160.72. Cisco down 96. Pfizer down 40. IBM down 317. Microsoft down $6. Rocket Lab down 30. Matterport down 14. SmartRent down 24. Spire up 0.8 penny. Amazon down 211. Home Depot down $20 for Home Depot. $297. Netflix down $9.36. Vanek Vectors down 589, Adobe down 933, Goldman down 707, Boeing down 577, Meta is up 8 cents, but only 8 cents. It got as high today, the old Facebook, to 178, $6 higher, can't hold it, and now it's about to go into the red, maybe. We'll watch for that. AMC's up 71, but the preferreds are down 17. I don't know what to make of this. Royal Caribbean down 127. Carvana down 143. Robinhood down 45. BlackBerry down 25 cents to 390. Target down 590. JP Morgan down 288. Costco down 521. It has recovered to 502 from a low of 496. Still off on the day. Walmart holding an 85-89 gain today. Disney down 290 to 102.30. Nvidia down 696. American Airlines down 65 cents to 15.71. And there you have it right now. DQ smiling. Alberto Mirko, really? Let me rewind and see what I missed. I will always be the numero uno nephew. Bobby. Uncle Bruce, pick up too deep in the money. I picked up too deep in the money Apple 120 calls that expire August 18. What year did those go for, my friend? DQ. Alberto, $10 US will put you at the top of the heap, apparently, says DQ. Beach White, Mirko, if Alberto is not responding, that's okay. Yoko's angelic voice will just have to wait another day. Mirko. Alberto, Lavala Sleep, what's that timestamp 317? Alberto, here's a $9.99 donation, Uncle Bruce. Pile dancer reporting for duty. Gotcha, Beach Boy. Let's go. Alex, I bought 1,000 more ATIP today on that mind-blowing dip. I'm ready for an earnings pop. I want to write. Alex, I bought 1,000 more. Well done. Beach Boy, someone is encouraging pile dancing now, laughing out loud. Oh my gosh. Pile dancing. What can I say? Thank you, Alberta. Beach Boy. Thank you to H3. And then also thank you to Samuel Estrala. Thank you, pal, for that donation. I'll send you this plus a thumbs up. You're worth more than you know. Thank you, my friend, from Palmdale, California. Appreciate it, sir. All of you who have been just kind enough to do PayPal donations and super chats. You guys are awesome, as always. The thumbs up meter. Thank you, guys. 100. Here it is. 100 thumbs ups. Thank you so much. We have done it again. You got me into triple digits, and let's just pile on some more of those if we can. Appreciate this. You guys are great. Mirko, you guys are great and also funny. DQ, isn't that an Elton John song? Hold 'em closer, pile dancer, count the headlights on the highway. It's not pole dancer. A Beach Boy, 60 shekels for Uncle Bruce. The dancer made me do it. Thank you, my friend. That's about 20 American dollars. That's kind of nice. Thank you, my friend. That always helps. Adam, 100. I did it. I gave it the 100 thumbs up. Adam, pal, thanks, man. Thanks for being there. Appreciate it. Guys are awesome every single time. This is a good stuff. Deep Value, Carvana has 118% institutional ownership. 85% of the float is shorted. Ay. Kareem is laughing out loud. It's wild and wacky markets. We're still down 620 or so on the Dow. 1.85%. S&P down 1.77%. That's good for about 72 points. The NASDAQ down 251 points, down 2.13%. Yikes. Oil at negative 29 cents a barrel at 76.05, right in the mid-70s. There you go. Let's see what's going on here. Thank you. Zeta State, I'm number 104, Bruce. You got 104 thumbs up now. 4 over 100. Thank you, my friends, so very much. DH, 109, pal. Thank you. Alberto, 1999. Singles accepted. Bring it on. Pile dancing has been good this week. Thank you very much, you two guys, and all of you who are in on this. Those of you who are in on this donation binge, I'm not dissuading any of you. Thank you very much. Very kind of you all. Jen and I, we're talking every day about how things are going, and she was so happy I had yesterday off. She really was. She said, "You really needed yesterday, Monday." She said, "You need today off, pal. You gotta sleep and just do nothing. You gotta." We ended up in the hot tub pool area in the afternoon, and just took it easy. And I tell you, I woke up this morning at about 3:20, about 10 minutes before the alarm was going to go. So that meant I was getting sleep yesterday. So fantastic for all that. By the way, 24 minutes to go in our session here. Thank you all. And also, again, thank you again for these kind words, notifying us how long you've been a member, and these donations and PayPal's. Fabulous. We talk about you all the time. Mirko, and we got a donation battle going here. Alberto, no one pile dances like me. Laugh out loud. I got to go stupid conference calls. Karen, I'm learning so much on this channel about pile dancing versus pole dancing. This is awesome. Adam, my money is on Alberto winning this donation battle. Alberto, see y'all later. Fill them pockets. Alberto. Adam, thanks. Primo. DQ, old Latina. You must have seen her dancing in the sand. Beach Boy, no ex-wives for you. Next, says Beach Boy, here's a 150 shekel donation on Super Chat. That is about 50 American dollars. Beach Boy, you're awesome, pal. I just hope you're making nothing but money today. And I think you are, which is a good thing. We're down 849 on Tesla. We're down 103 on GameStop right now. Dow is down 645. Google is off 226 to 9233. Yeah, we're watching all kinds of stuff happen here. Cisco down 90, Pfizer down 34, IBM down 323, Microsoft down 610. Man, oh man, oh man. Okay, Brian, Bobby, actually, what level training do you need for Quest Trade for poor man cover calls? What do they call it? Adam says, my money is now on Beach Boy winning this donation battle. Brian, I applied for level 3 on my margin account. He figures that was what it was, applying for level 3. Interesting. All righty. Giddy up, everybody. Let's see what's happening here. Stocks are tumbling, headline says. Why cash yielding more than it has since 2007 could be king? Well, there is cash going into the bond market and treasuries. There's no doubt about it. But there's cash also going to high dividend stocks, but not enough to stem the tide at the moment. Let's see. Margin level 3, says Bobby Atkinson. DQ. Adam, do you change your shirt based on what team is winning too, by the way? Manager, 112 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, Nick. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're making money today. DQ, smiling. Thank you all for everything. A DQ, a diagonal call is what they call it. Mirko, Sammy, if Alberto is already in his conference call, you got to send him a text. Otherwise, it'll be second place this time. Maria bought 2 more deep in the money GameStop calls January 25, sold 2 October 20 covered calls, and collected $1,050. So I will buy another deep in the money call with that and write a 2125. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. There you go. This is the name of the game, Maria. Well done. Leveraging up with the ability to let covered calls, let deep in the money calls allow you to write covered calls, which allows you to buy more deep in the money calls to write more covered calls. Bang, bang, and bang again. And this is the way. I agree. Adam, I'm a loser for life. I mean bears for life. Brian, excellent. Step number 1 will be to complete shortly. Next will be to buy back my covered calls. Then we'll be able to buy per man cover call class from Bruce. Then transfer everything to margin. Then buy some deep money calls on games. I'm excited. Here we go. Adam, Matterport earnings after the bell tomorrow? Question mark, question mark, question mark. The release of financials. I just have to go back a few pages here. This is the 21st of February. So Feb 22, Matterport. That's tomorrow. Yes. Feb 24, ATIP. Feb 28th, Rocket Lab. That's next week today. And then March the 8th, Smart Rent. So there's the four that are coming up with earnings reports. Yeah, coming up very quickly here. And DQ is saying to Adam, you'll always have the Super Bowl shuffle, you know. Adam, Bobby, if you're using Ameritrade, you've got to apply for the upgrade in option trading. For my knowledge, you may have to take classes first too, though. Larry Titus, hi everybody. I am number 113. We have 19 minutes to go. Larry Titus, thank you for being here and joining us again. We're down 641 on the Dow. We're kind of flatlining in the sixes right now, it seems. ME hanging around 258 and a half, down 28 and a half. I suspect this financing is being concluded. I could be wrong. GameStop 2090 down 109. ATIP is at 40.2 cents a share, down 1.2 on the day. Tesla down 888, 199.43 now. SoFi 647 down 15 cents. Low on SoFi today, 650. No, that's not correct. 633 is a low today on SoFi. It's now 647. It's come back 14 cents from its low of the day. 23.3 million, very quiet day today. Apple 149.04 down 350. HPQ down 119. Xterra down 17.5. Google down 256 to 92.02. Moderna down 469 161.91. Adam DeMerco, thank you. DQ, Dr. Titus, welcome. Jim Stevens, Adam, at least the Bears team owner is nice enough to show up twice a year to show them how it's done. Bobby Atkinson, we're Canadian. I don't think we can use Ameritrade up here. AJ, Amy, DQ, wasn't Refrigerator Perry part of Super Bowl Shuffle or the good old days? And wasn't Icky Woods the master of the Icky Shuffle? Adam, yeah, one day someone else will buy them. Till then, I use, I'm not sure. Bobby, thanks, fellow Canuck. DQ, hey, Moderna, you left something down at 150. Go take a look. Come on back here. Adam, I'll keep dreaming. DQ, AJ, yep, and Jim McMahon. There you go. Oh man! Thank you all for being part of the show today. Thank you, donors, donators, and also those of you alerting us with your alerts. How long you've been members of the channel today? Great to let the world out there know how many and how long some of you have been here as members of this channel. Thank you. I can tell you right now, people don't stay members. They don't stay a member of a channel very long if the channel doesn't benefit them. And so I can, honestly kind of speculate that folks are making money here on this channel because they've been members for up to almost 2 years now and counting straight through. Deep Value, thank you for the knee emojis. Here they go. Neat. The knee attack is underway. Thank you all and welcome to the party. Manager, Uncle Bruce and team, do you see Netflix going below 300 in the next few weeks? I have been holding a short since the last few weeks, and I don't mind holding until the next earnings call. I've been negative on Netflix all along. It's just, the stock is the stock. Stock's 337 down 10 today. In the last, obviously, number of months, we have had quite a bit of movement on this stuff, and it has been uncomfortable to watch it top out at the 367 something level, But now it's 337. It's lost $30 in like the last, month here. Interesting, but it's got a ways to go yet, doesn't it? It's had quite the run, though, I gotta say. Wow. It's coming off 645 drop on the Dow today. What a day today. Here you go. 2089 on GameStop, by the way. We're getting closer to the low of the day on GameStop. The low of the day, 2072. We're at 2082, dime away from the low. Yeah, Maria, the fridge was huge, but he's a great athlete. And DQ Super Bowl Shuffle hands across America. I missed the 80s. Credit Savage, 2 years tuning in, 2 years tuning in, and 18 months Gold Bagel member. Yeah, baby. AJ, DQ 80s were the best. Thank you all. Thank you to Untamed Viking and Hector for the knee emojis. Maria, JR, Brian for the knee emoji attack. Everyone just piling in your Deep Value. Thank you all. And it's much appreciated that you're here and having fun. I hope we have 115 thumbs ups, by the way. Thank you. 15 minutes left in our session, and the day will be done today. Option writers are counting profits, and they're tallying up the wins today as options have been backing off today on all kinds of stocks, as you know, and you're going to keep an eye on it. See what happens. DQ, Amy, when else could Tony Basil have a hit? Right, laughing out loud. Exactly. When else? All right, Tesla down $9 again, 199.25. SoFi down 14. ATIP sitting at 40 on the nose. And the GameStop 2083, 2082, 10 cents away from the low of the day. 10 cents away from the low of the day on GameStop now. 2081, now it's 9 cents away. Volume today on GameStop has been light. We've got GameStop volume today, 2.6 million shares. That's that's 650,000 pre-split. That's not even a million shares today. That is really lame trading volume today. Very quiet. So is it any wonder it's off? No surprise. Okay, 2083. There you go. Dow off 632. Giddy up. Okay. All right. Watching all kinds of different quotes going by here. Thank you, folks. We're down to 13 minutes to go in our session today. See tomorrow how this reacts. How does the market take today's market reaction to higher interest rate projections? We've got, we have a couple of good things working in the economy, but a number of things underneath the economy that are causing concern. The reality, though, is this. If you don't get a 6 or an 8% pay raise, you're taking a pay cut. You're getting hit with one. Corporations out there have to earn 6 to 8% more profits to fight off the level of inflation against their business as well. And right now, we are watching corporations come up with earnings that are nowhere near 6 or 8% higher than a year ago. They're losing to inflation as well. We are seeing it in absolute real time. So this is something to watch for. Moderna under 160 says DQ, Rugman, I think I love you. There you go. Well, there's another song right there. Rugman, I think I love you. Do. Remember that song from the 70s? They had that family in the school bus, Rugman, I think I love you. Yeah, that's what it was. Sure. 159.94 on the old Moderna. Oh my. Down 634 on the Dow. Here we go. 640. DQ, the Partridge Family. Oh, come on now, the Partridge Family. They didn't sing Rugman, I think I love you. Or did they? Maybe they meant it. Yeah, maybe they meant it. Yes. It could have been that other TV show, hey, we're the Rugman. We're going to put the feet out on you. We're going to make you fall all over the place. That's the last thing you're going to do. Maybe it was that show. Hey, we're the Rugmen. Just wondering. There are a lot of songs from that era that could have been Rugman songs. One never knows. 11 minutes to go. Can't come soon enough, can it? The end can't come soon enough, bro. Stop with your singing. Oh my gosh. 2084 on GameStop. Oh God. 2082. Oh yeah. Oh gee. Tesla 198 going down again. Down 950. DQ. I Think I Love You is a song by Tony Romero, written as the debut single for a fictional musical TV family, the Partridge Family. DQ, no way. No, really? Come on, you're just making that crap up. You're just a baby boomer talking about baby boomer stuff, Oh my. You got to wonder after the first or second year of doing that, how sick and tired were those actors playing those roles in that show? Because that show was on 6 years? 5-6 years. That was a long grind. Man, oh man. DH H. Gregory Bruce, you got to sing Rugman, the old Batman. Rugman. Bam, zoom, yoink. Oh, yes, that's true. Gen X, thanks you very much. Oh, you're welcome there, DQ. There you go. Oh, yeah. Man. You remember that? Remember that TV show, Rugman's Heroes? Do 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 Rugman. Remember that show? That was a great show. I listen to the music. I'm a boomer, like I'm a boomer. AJ, also a Wild Thing. I Think I Love You has some lyric minus the Rugman part. Yeah, that's right. Rugman, do 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 do. I think I love you. Yoink 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 yoink. Oh, I don't know. Rugman, I think I love you, but I want to know for sure. Yeah, that's right. Rugman, I think I love you, but I want to know for sure. Do 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 do. That's right. If any of y'all want to play with AI and see some premiums as good as GameStop used to have, maybe you guys should look at some deep in the money 10s and 1250s. They're meeting the Uncle Bruce 90-10 rule, and so rejoice. There you go. The Adam West TV show, Batman show. Don't mind me. Splair, I wish you already a good night. Splair knows when to cut out. 681, by the way, on the down dip on the Dow. We're falling right at the end of the day here. 8 minutes to go, and we're backing off. Yep, that's right. All kinds of great TV shows and TV themes that could have all been substituted for Rugman. Do 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 Rugman, Rugman, Rugman. Do 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 Rugman, 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 Rugman. See, that could have been that TV show too. Yes, no one knew. Credit Savage. What about Rugman Cito in the Sausalito beat? That sounds fire. DQ. I love when Sergeant Schultz yells, "Rugman! I see nothing. Rugman, yoink!" I will load up energy for tomorrow. Swear. What can I say? Oh man! I like it when AJ sneaks vodka into Uncle Bruce's travel mug. Spicy. What stock is AI? H. Gregory, I still have 200 AMC shares, and every time I write, it runs on me for the day. H. Gregory, laugh out loud. I guess I'll roll. I don't know. Oh my gosh. 688 down dip on the Dow. We're down 80 on S&P. We're down 288 on the NASDAQ, 2.44% on NASDAQ, 2% on the Dow, and just about 2% on the S&P 500. Down they go. GameStop 2073. This is new low territory. We touched 2070 here. Down 120 or so. New low for the day on GameStop. ATIP is at 40 cents, down 1.3 cents. Tesla 199.12, down 919. There you go. That was, you know what? That was Splair. That was Mission Rug Possible. Cindy B. I know. Look at that 16% run on AMC. Deep Value, C3AI Inc. is the AI stock. DQ, this sell-off is making me thirsty. Hector, Uncle Bruce, symbol AI stands for which stock? I think Deep Value has it here, C3A1. I don't know. What's the symbol on it? I don't even know. I don't know anything about it. I don't follow it. Otto, no more cool drink for Uncle Bruce. Too much sugar. DQ, this sell-off is making me thirsty. It's making ME thirsty. There you go. Oh my, 5 minutes left in our session. We're down 250 on the Dow, it looks like now. 2070 now on GameStop. We're at the low of the day right now. 2070 right now is where we're at on GameStop. From what I can see here, that's what I think we got. Come on, kids. Oh, my. We got a down dipper going here. There we go. Pop that up there. Cut that. Get that over there. 2067 new low on GameStop. $20.67. Down 132. Hector, thank you. H. Gregory, DQ. I'm lowering my cost basis from getting AMC shares. I got as a newbie, but yes, I have GameStop and deep in the money calls too. I'm a wily veteran now of this market. I'm a wily veteran. We're down 677 on the Dow exchange, 2065 on GameStop, now 2064, another new low. 197.91 on Tesla, down 1040. SoFi 644, down 18. Apple down 380 to 148.75. We got 4 minutes to go. HPQ 2904, down 111. Cyxtera down 17 cents. Google down 250. Moderna 159.85. 675. Cisco down 110. Pfizer down 40. IBM down 322. Microsoft down 540 a share, 550 a share. Rocket Lab down 34. Matterport down 18. SmartRent down 23. Spire down 4. Amazon down 245. Home Depot $22.68 lower. Netflix down 10.89. Vanik down 7.23. Adobe down 10.42. Goldman 7.40 on the down dip. Boeing 5.96 lower. Meta, Facebook is now off 84 cents, finally gone red. Royal Caribbean down 133. We got Target down 685. JP Morgan down 262 a share. Costco down 557. Walmart holding an 82-cent gain. Disney down 324 to 101.98. And Nvidia down 742 to 206.40. And we got American Airlines down 65 cents to 15.71. And there you are, down 704 points on the Dow with 3 minutes to go. Red wave of selling. Another sell wave is coming through. GameStop 2064 at this moment. I think the low of the day is showing 2064. I think that's what we have on the low of the day, which is right where we are now, 135 lower on GameStop. GameStop. Okay. Let's see. What else do we got here now? Credit Savage. Okay, folks, I got to change some poop diapers and kids want to watch Toy Story. I've made my money for the day. So I bid you all adieu. Till tomorrow. Good night. You take care, Credit Savage. Bobby, later, bagel heads. Buy the dip. H. Gregory, the DQ. No, that wasn't me. I'm just not selling my AMC until I break even. DQ, sorry about that. All right, there you go. And which may take a while, says H. Gregory. It's going to take a while. 2 minutes to go in our session. We're down 703 on the Dow now, 2064 on GameStop at this moment in time, 2063, another penny lower. This is the low of the day on 2.9 million. We're not even at 750,000 volume pre-split. It's quiet. 2063 is now the low of the session for GameStop shares. Tesla 197.63 down 10.68. ATIP 39.2, now back to 40 cents on ATIP. 200 and, well, it looks like 200 something thousand. Hang on, we'll see what the volume is when this kicks in. Let's see what happens. Wait. In the meantime, the Dow off 702. Intel, Home Depot, the losers today. That's what we got. 370,000 on ATIP. Last trade now 39.3, so we're wavering between 39 and 40 cents right now on ATIP. Tesla 197.42 down almost $11. SoFi down 19 cents. Apple down $4. There you go. 692 drop on the Dow. 1 minute left in our session, and there you have it. That is the story as I see it. No other comments coming through. Okay, we're up to speed. 694, and here come the bells. Here come the bells as we finish off our session today. We have 126 thumbs ups. Thank you. Appreciate that. Spicy. Thank you, Bruce. A member for 6 months at the gold bagel level. Thank you, Spicy, for that alert. DQ has, Larry has just put in the bells. Thank you, Bell, for that. And here we are. Phew, just in time. That was close. 696 drop, 702 drop. We're kind of in that area, the area of 700 for the day. 23andMe down 30 cents, exactly down to 257 on 3.4 million volume today. The GameStop shares 2066. And after hours 2066 on 2.94 million, not quite 750,000. AJ, Amy, thanks, Uncle Bruce. Have a great evening, everybody. Coyote, Deke, oh ye, a little faith. Splair, thank you again, Larry. Good night, y'all. Bobby, that's the story. Lovely trading day today. Thank you, everybody. Congratulations on all of you option writers who are watching depreciation kick in. The value, market values are kicking in, book values disappearing or further out of the money. Way to go, guys. We'll be here tomorrow morning for the Trade Alert show for Gold Bagel members before the 8:30 show. Look for that if you're a Gold Bagel member. Then join me at 8:30, of course, and then join me at 3:30 and tomorrow night, 8 o'clock prime time with Uncle Bruce for Gold Bagel members. I look forward to that as well. We'll have lots of stuff to talk about, I'm sure, by then as well, as we continue this quest for economic excellence that you all have earned and deserved. How about that? You're not going to get it from your boss. It ain't coming from work, kids. I can tell you that right now. All righty. There it is. Flint Creek. Miserable. Here's my thumb. See you tomorrow. Okay. Hang in there, everybody. Let's have some fun tomorrow with this market and see what it gives us. Okay, everybody. Be well. Stay healthy. And take care of yourselves. Give your favorite loved ones an extra long hug. You never know when it's the last time. Thank you all for joining myself, myself, and I appreciate it. And I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning. First thing as we get going for Wednesday. It'll be February the 22nd tomorrow, so let's do it. Cindy B, I almost forgot my thumbs up. Here's 128. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs ups, everybody. Gowdy, I'm all hyped up on goofballs. John Anderson, thanks, everybody. Thank you, John, and everyone else who has been here, who's always here. Appreciate all of you so much. It is fantastic being with you guys. 129 thumbs ups and counting. Keep them coming. If you're watching on the rerun, hit the thumbs up button for me, and let's pile it on. In the meantime, I will see you all tomorrow. Let me leave you with a couple of these on the way out the door. Neat, 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 neat. There you go. There you have it. Very, very good, everyone. Thank you so much for your continued wonderful support. DQ, Merkel, you take care. AZ, have a good night. AZ, take care, everybody. Way to go, guys. Keep the drive alive. Yee-hee, wee-hee. You gotta love it. Fantastico, everybody. Thank you. Oscar, thank you. Nighty night all from JR. Deep value. Good night, everybody. Neat, 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 from around the world. From us to you and you to us. H. Gregory, take care, pal. Flint Creek, take care. Dean, thanks, Dean. All right, guys. All right, there it is. I'll see you guys. See you guys tomorrow morning, okay? All the best. Bye for now.